Hello guys, today I will do a onion pickles. Okay guys, the onion has been peeled and ready to blanch. Okay guys, I blanched the red onion in the boiling water for 2 seconds. Be careful not to cook too much because it will not be crunchy. This method will take out the aftertaste of the onion. And then after blanching, must ready the water with ice. If there is no ice, it's okay, cold water only. This method also, it will stop the cooking. Then the color of the onion will be the same, and it will crunchy, still crunchy, the red onion. After blanching, just wash a little bit and then put in the ice. Leave it there guys until prepare the brine solution. Just leave it in the ice water. Now start with the brine solution. 2 cups of water. I use hot water so easy to boil. And then 1 cup of vinegar. Any kinds of vinegar. 2:1. It means 2 cups of water and 1 cup of vinegar. And then boil the bottle for sterilizing so that it will keep longer your pickle. Boil the bottle with 15 to 20 minutes. It's okay already. And then let's start with the brine solution. It's boiling already. Guys, the ratio of my brine solution of 2:1, 2 cups of water and 1 cup of vinegar is 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. That's all. And taste it. If it's up to you whether you can put more of salt, you can put more of sugar. It's up to your taste, all right? And boil it for a while and then turn it off the fire and let it cool the brine solution before you pour into the bottle. All right, guys? Let still boiling my bottle for sterilizing. This is the important. Need to sterilize the bottle if you want to keep longer, like 6 months to 1 year. Now it's ready, guys. It's ready. My brine solution is cold already, so we can put in the bottle now. And we will put here the onion, red onion. And then, see? We must put properly so that it's nice. Look. Okay, this is enough. So guys, I make 2. Guys, you can add chili if you like spicy. Alright? Okay guys, this is the brine solution that I make. You can pour to the bottle already, like that. Just follow how I did. Then you can make very tasty, crunchy red onion pickles. Alright guys? Alright, this is finished. So we need to cover it. Oh yeah, this is the cover. After this, guys, keep it in the fridge. In 7 days, it's ready. You can eat and taste it. But you can keep longer than 7 days is more nice. It will be tasty more. Alright guys, that easy to make onion pickles. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.